I will ask a very simple question, sir, and I expect the Minister to reply, because this question will not require the Honorable Chief Minister to reply, sir. So my question is, how many self-help groups block-wise?
In the whole state, sir?
East Khasi.
I just want to know from the Honorable MLA whether it's block-wise or whether it's the whole district or the state.
Sir, we are discussing about East Khasi district. These SHG numbers have been provided in the reply, so I want block-wise. That means
East Khasi's block.
East Khasi's blocks.
So, the number of SHGs block-wise in East Khasi's district, Khat Arshnong, Light Kro, 602, Mauken Row, 401, Maulai, 344, Maupat, 312, Mauplang, 807, Maurengkeneng, 594, Mausenram, 531, 931, sorry. Milliam, 650, Penorsla, 948, Shela Bolaganj, 616, Soyong, 883, and the total is 7,800, sir. 7,088, sorry.
It seems two blocks are missing. That is Milliam block and Maurengkeneng block.
Can we give? Milliam is. You give the answer.
Okay. May I know from the Honorable Minister, is there any social auditing for these SHGs in order to ensure that funds given by the government are properly utilized? And if there is, which agencies?
Yes, sir.
I want to know which agency, sir.
The MSSAT and the social audit, sir.
May I request the Honorable Minister to explain in full form, sir?
So, I don't have the information with me, so okay, sir. I've received the information to a note, so I will tell sir that it's the full form of MSSAT, and you know, sir, it's sometimes the abbreviation, the full form of each and every meaning of those particular words. Sometimes it is very difficult to remember. So I'll just answer to what the Honorable MLA wants. Meghalaya State, Meghalaya Society, Firm Social Audit and transparency.